Hello everyone, this is Tony from Rolling Faith. In this video I'll try to get some real footage and some real pictures, some real scenes of our first family camping trip using the Runaway. Enjoy. Here's the inside of the Runaway with the gear pretty much stacked up inside. I got the beds here. I fold up. Got my daughter's lacrosse gear, sleeping bags. I got my my canopy, my tent over here. So this is in travel storage mode. Here's the view from the other side. Sleeping bags, sports gear, tent, a little cooler. Still missing, got two more of these little storage cubes that I got at Camping World. That's where my kids will put their clothes in. Got the bins secured with some clips and a spring-loaded shower curtain rod. See, that keeps everything from falling off. But again, this is my travel mode. I like the versatility of this Runaway because I can get all my gear in there, and then when I get to my camp, I can set up and turn it into a bedroom. So hopefully, when I get to the camp, I'll have a view of this setup in sleeping mode with the bed. So here I am, started on our road trip, and I got the Runaway all packed up. You see, we have all our gear in here: pillows, the blankets, our sleeping bags, the beds, carriages. So all the sports gear. Even though it does look a little messy, everything is organized, everything's in bags. And when I get to the campsite, all the stuff will come out, and then the bed will be hooked up. But what I really wanted to kind of show is that I've already drove for about a half an hour, 45 minutes, and I came here to look to see if my little hack here of what I set up works. So I got the spring-loaded bar here from the shower that we use on showers, and I got these little metal clips as kind of like the backup. I have this inside here. I didn't even know this is a little loose, the spring clip. The spring bar here. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit more, but this was like a backup, and this kind of held in there. So I thought that's pretty good, because when I first tried taking this out a while ago, all these containers popped off. So I actually saw on a Runaway Facebook page someone use these clips. Over here, down there. Actually, I might have to buy more of these, but everything stood in place, which I'm happy. Nothing came out. And these are again my little storage boxes here I got from Camping World. I'm able to fit four boxes. Get rid of my daughter's lacrosse stuff. With a little storage space here, which is where I had the fire extinguishers. So look at my another look of my big hot mess. But again, when I get to the campsite, it'll be organized. But Runaway's doing good so far. Here we are, all set up. Our first family camp out with the Runaway. Together with the Runaway. That's the boss. Here the dogs. There's the sun. He's in there. Trust me. We just had some burgers on our Blackstone. Worked out pretty good. We'll go open up the inside. Got my son's bed hooked up for the night. Little remote control lights I got from Harbor Freight. Got his little TV there. His favorite YouTuber on. Guess what that is? Got a nice little breeze going on here right now at the campsite, so I'm not gonna put the AC on, but probably will later on tonight. But again, a simple two futon air mattresses that fold out. Very comfortable. All my storage boxes, they stood up for the whole trip with these little clips and this shower tension rod. Nothing fell out, so pretty happy about that. And even with these two mattresses here, still got room to lay some of my stuff down. One thing I'm missing right now is the curtains, which I have. I have to put them up. Got my van all set up. Van set up with the pop top. All set up inside there for my daughter. Lisa, you upstairs?
No, I was trying to be Nugget.
In the penthouse? Oh, there goes Nugget. You don't want to eat? Bring them outside. Got the upstairs here. Got my van. My daughter. Go up the ladder. It's the penthouse suite. Nice little breeze coming in tonight from the campsite. Front view coming out on the pop top. Here we are with my Ignite fire can inside my Gazelle tent. Always having some marshmallows. How the marshmallows? Tasty. Little propane tank here. In case I didn't mention, we're in a KOA in Westchester, Pennsylvania. And got a nice spot, number 48, right under the tree. Nice big tree. It's a pull-through site. Very crowded here this weekend. A lot of lacrosse events going on in the area. My wonderful son sitting in the Kilos chair. First time using it, real life, in the campsite. Watch it. Here's Michael sitting in the Kilos gear chair for the first time using it in that campsite. Is it comfortable? Out of 1 to 10, what do you give it? 6. 6? Why is 6? too bad. Dogs. I already got you on the camera, so. Was it easy to set up?
Yeah.
Did you have to read the directions?
No.
Alrighty. Very good. I can't wait to try my chair at some point. Here we are using the Kilo's gear chair for the first time. The stranger here is using it right now, testing it out. Said he put it together without any instructions. Is it comfortable,
Yeah, pretty comfortable.
Mr. Stranger?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
7.
A 7 now?
Yeah.
All right. Is it easy to put together?
Yeah.
Don't fall.
You should ask them what it tastes like.
No, you shouldn't ask to eat anything. Eat the person's eating.
Hello. Say hi, boss.
Hey, boss.
Hi, little boss. Little bossy. We got our Ignite fire can going. Another campsite here, Pennsylvania. We're in a KOA in Westchester, Pennsylvania. Have fun? It's Bailey. Nugget. Nugget. Pretty solid chair, I must say. Alright, okay, bye for now. Hey everyone, it's Tony from Rolling Faith, and I'm back here in my home base and my driveway, and I have my Runaway is all covered up. Just a recap on the video that you saw. The Runaway worked pretty well. We were really happy with it. My son slept in it last night, and it was ice cold. And you know, all in all, it wasn't a bad trip. The van held up good too, also. So it's really nice. You know, like I was trying to demonstrate how, you know, the versatility of the Runaway. You can use it as a cargo trailer, and then, you know, to get where you got to go, and you throw all your gear in there, and you know, yeah, it looks a little messy when you got everything in there, but you know, when you're going camping with 4 people and 2 dogs, you got to carry a lot of stuff. And then I try to also show how, you know, we changed it to sleeping mode, and that's one of the main reasons why I got the Runaway, so it can kind of get us all out there, take all our stuff with us, and when we get there, have a place to set everything up. And you know, it also goes well with my little van here, my little Coachman Nova B van, and as a lot of people know, with the van you don't have a lot of you don't have a lot of storage, but the Runaway gives us that extra bedroom and that versatility, if you want to call it, to get us out there. So with that, thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, you want to support this channel, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. With that, peace, love, and keep on camping. Tony out.